Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Google Play Store on your PC. Guys, first open up your end browser and just search for the Play Store. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter and you will see the first website of Google Play Store on the top. So just open up this Google Play Store website. Then just click on this three dot option you are seeing on the right hand top and just scroll down until you see the save and share option. Now here in the save and share option, you will find the option of create shortcut. So just click on this option of create shortcut and it will give you the option to create it. Just click on this option of create. Once it was downloaded, just open it. Guys, if you manually want to download and install the Google Play Store on your PC, then you need to download and install the any emulator on your PC. The emulator I recommend is the BlueStacks. You have to simply search for the BlueStacks and just open up the first website of the bluestacks.com. And once you open it, just click on the download BlueStacks 10 and just install it onto your PC. Then go to your Windows search, type here the BlueStacks and just open it. Here you'll see the option of system app, so just click on that. You will see the Play Store. Now just open up the Play Store in the BlueStacks. And once you open it, you just need to sign into your account and just use it. And this is how you can download and install the Play Store on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye and take care.